reporting for Ital Sardo. Today I'm bringing to you our most prestigious white wine available at Ital Sardo. It's Ruinas. This is from one of the most traditional wineries on the island of Sardinia, so what better to do than to share it with you today. So colour wise it is slightly typical of a Vermentino, like a golden yellow with green tinges. It's slightly deeper in colour than many of the others. On the nose you do get the green apple, white peach scents, which is nice, it's fresh. Then it's got almost an almondy vanilla taste, smell to it, which is nice. You get a light freshness from green apple, then it quickly dissipates into a light floral honeysuckle, and then into a savoury finish. It's nice, it's got at least 3 levels to it. Interesting, it's very nice, thoroughly enjoyable. As I said, highly exclusive, available from Ital Sardo at £23.50 a bottle. I assure you shan't be disappointed. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. Salute!